Welcome to the Amazon rainforest. No, not the website. The real one. It's a massive jungle that stretches across 9 countries in South America. That's like bigger than 8 million football pitches. This place is home to some of the most amazing animals on Earth. There are sloths, monkeys, and Roar, a jaguar. This is my cousin's dog, but don't tell the jaguar that. Wait, is that a dolphin in the jungle? Yep. The Amazon River dolphin is pink and swims in muddy river water. My dad says it's super smart. The rainforest gives us air to breathe and keeps the earth cool. People are cutting down trees fast. Like really fast. That's bad news for animals, plants, and us. Luckily, the rainforest has superheroes, real ones. Indigenous tribes had lived here for thousands of years and helped protect the rainforest. Thanks, forest friends. Let's keep fighting the good fight.